In 2025, the automotive world witnessed the revival of a classic icon, the Tomaso Pantera. This modern incarnation, known as the Ares Panther Evo, is the brainchild of Italian coach builder Ares Design. Drawing inspiration from the 1970s original, the Panther Evo seamlessly blends retro aesthetics with contemporary performance and technology. The Panther Evo's foundation is rooted in the Lamborghini Huracan, utilizing its chassis and drivetrain as a base. At its heart lies a mid-mounted 5.2-liter V10 engine, meticulously tuned by Ares to deliver an impressive 641 horsepower. This power is channeled to all four wheels through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, propelling the car from 0 to 62.8 in a swift 3.1 seconds and reaching a top speed of 202. Aesthetically, the Panther Evo pays homage to the original Pantera with its wedge-shaped design and distinctive pop-up headlights, a nostalgic nod to classic automotive styling. The body is crafted entirely from carbon fiber, contributing to a dry weight of 1,423 kg. Despite being slightly heavier than its Huracan counterpart, the Panther Evo offers a unique blend of luxury and performance. Inside, the cabin exudes opulence, featuring Nappa leather and Alcantara upholstery. Bespoke carbon seats and a redesigned dashboard echo the original Pantera's interior, while modern amenities like the central infotainment screen and digital instrument cluster from the Huracan ensure contemporary comfort and convenience. One of the standout features of the Panther Evo is its faux H-manner gear selector. While the vehicle operates with paddle shifters, this design element allows drivers to engage drive, neutral, reverse, and park modes, offering a tactile connection reminiscent of classic manual transmission. Performance enhancements extend beyond the engine. The Panther Evo is equipped with passive dampers at each corner, ensuring a balanced ride and handling experience. Standard carbon ceramic brakes provide robust stopping power, and the vehicle rides on staggered forged aluminum wheels, 20-inch at the front and 21-inch at the rear, wrapped in Pirelli tires. Ares Design offers a high degree of personalization for the Panther Evo. Owners can tailor various aspects of the vehicle to their preferences, from seat molding and cabin materials to exterior paint finishes. This bespoke approach ensures that each Panther Evo reflects its owner's unique taste and style. Production of the Panther Evo is limited, with each unit hand-built at Ares Design's facility in Modena, Italy. While specific pricing details for the 2025 model have not been disclosed, previous iterations were priced around PS 500,000, including the cost of the donor Huracan. This exclusivity, combined with its distinctive design and performance, positions the Panther Evo as a coveted piece among automotive enthusiasts and collectors. The 2025 Ares Panther Evo stands as a testament to the enduring allure of the Tomaso Pantera. By marrying classic design elements with modern engineering, Ares Design has created a supercar that not only honors its heritage, but also offers a thrilling and luxurious driving experience for the contemporary aficionado.